Guys, hi, here I am with yet another video of how you can improve your house and lifestyle. In this video I'm gonna show you how I upcycle this desk chair that I had lying out in my garage. So you can see the condition is not like it works. It is a chair, but then it is quite old, and you can see it is dirty, and but it works. The wheels are not very nicely moving. Some of them are this one is stuck, but I'm gonna fix it. So the first thing that we do is we click a photo of the joints so that it is always safe and easy to reassemble it after you have taken the things out. um, See here in my chair, it is yeah, you can see the joints, so I have to open them. But before I open, I have clicked a photo of all the parts so that it is easy for me to reassemble it once I'm done. These are also screws. So let's take the parts off, and then I'll show you how it looks. Oh yes, I'm done with disassembling the parts. These are the two arms that I disassembled. They were connected with three screws like this. So these are the two arms, and then I have disassembled the seat, which was connected with the here it is, and it was connected with these four screws, and then four screws here. And when I deassembled it, I could get this back thing and this, which I'm gonna recover with another piece of cloth. And then I have this. It has no screws, I believe, so I think it will easily come off when I pull it. Let's see. So removing this pop out black cover from the back was not as easy as it seemed, because my chair was at least 30 years old, or 20 maybe. But I did it using this steel rod that I had from another upholstery project. So you see here are this again some screws that connected to this part. So I will remove these screws and then take off the back. So now I have dismantled the chair. This is the back that I have removed, and this is the seat. I'm gonna recover them with another piece of cloth, and these are the parts that I need to wash and clean before I reassemble it. I'm not using any paint or any other thing to make it more shine. I'm just gonna clean it really well, deep cleaning, and then it will look like new, because there were not many scratches on it, because it was not used a lot of times. But you see in the wheels, because the wheels were stuck because of a lot of dirt and thread and hair particles inside it. So I'm gonna clean this too, using a small knife and tweezers and hands and everything, and then I'm gonna wash it really thoroughly. Okay, so while I have put the plastic pieces for wash, I've soaked them in soap in washing powder and warm water for around I'll keep them there for around 2 hours, so that the really hard dust particles become soft, and then I'll wash them with a brush. Meanwhile, I'm gonna attach this cushion. This I bought from a local thrift shop for around I think some 50 cents. This is a really cheap one, but it's nice and sturdy. So I'm gonna attach this to this base, but this is of course optional. I'm thinking of attaching more, making it more soft, my seat back, and so actually I got two cushions, one for back and one for the seat rest. but this is really optional. If you want, you can just cover it with a nice cloth after cleaning it up, so that there are no germs. I'm gonna spray sanitizer water mixed with sanitizer on this. I have already sprayed, so this looks dirty, but this is germs free. And now I'm gonna attach it here using my Tolson staple gun, which I have here. So I'm gonna use the staple guns, this is a normal staple gun, and I'm gonna use this to attach it here. I'll show you how it looks. Just to add an update, this is a really thick cushion, so the normal staple pins were not going inside it. So I have put in U-shaped ones. U-shaped ones are like, I'll show you what they look like. Yeah, so these are the U-shaped ones that I'm using inside, because they have a longer pin size. Let's see if it works. No luck, so I think I will have to use this glue gun to stick the cushion. It doesn't have to be really stuck well. I know this is not very sturdy, so it doesn't have to be really well stuck, because it's anyway gonna be covered with a piece of cloth. So it just have to it doesn't have to be really perfectly stuck. It just has to give a bit of protection. So I'm going to use this glue gun to stick this piece of cushion on my chair back and seat. So I have stuck these two pieces of cushion, which are not exactly the size, but they will get the shape when I wrap the piece of cloth tightly. I have glued them together. If you have a really stronger glue, I would recommend that by all means, but at this moment I had only this, and it doesn't matter at the end, so no problem. This is done, and now I'm gonna bring the piece of cloth that I bought from a thrift shop for around €1. I'll show you. Okay, so the next step is I left it for an hour or so, and now it's decently stuck, not very well stuck. It comes off like from here, but it takes the support. Now I had bought 1 yard of fabric and divided into two pieces, so this is a half a yard piece. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put this piece in the direction I want, like this. So the center is on the top of the cushion, and I will turn now like this. I will flip it over on a clean surface, making sure that the surface is really clean, because for me this fabric is white. I don't want to ruin it, so it fits here. And now I'm gonna staple the corners first, and then all of it. I will show you how it looks. So this is how I have stapled all the corners and edges like this. So this is what it looks like from the front. This is the back piece. Now I will cut this extra fabric and then make the edges really neat one. I will show you when I do it. So the extra edges are cut now. Now this is a bit loose from the edges. Because the staples are on a very much distance, so I'm gonna staple closely and give it a neater look. Let me do it, and then I'll show you. All done. This is the back part. This is how it looks from the back, and when I flip it over, it looks really neat and cushiony, soft. Now I will do the same with the other piece. So here's a problem. This one has a wood on the bottom, but it has a layer of plastic on the top. So I'm gonna try doing that. I hope the staple, I think it worked for them, so it should work for me also. I'm gonna try, and then I'll tell you how it looks. So this is my second cushion. I have cut carefully from here because the handle will go in from here, and when I flip it over, it looks like this. So it's pretty soft and cozy. And now I have both my cushions, headrest and the seat ready. I'm gonna assemble it back now, and I'll show you when I do it. Okay, so here I have reassembled the chair. See, it's really cushiony. It's fixed at the back. The handles are nice and firm, and it's really cozy. I couldn't clean the wheels because they were really dirty, and it was full of a lot of hair and thread, so I stopped doing it. And I bought a new one from the Raz.pk. I'll show you the link. So this is the one so this is a before picture because my chair looked like this before, and now this is the after one. See, it takes only a day, a few hours to do this, and not a lot of money. It doesn't cost your kidney. If you like my channel, please if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.